Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the...
If you're looking for carpet cleaners in Woodlands Doncaster, you're in luck. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is your local carpet cleaning firm in Woodlands. We live just a few minutes down the road and have been carpet cleaners in Woodlands for over 25 years. Check our reviews on Facebook or Google. Doncaster Carpet Cleaners has a huge amount of experience in cleaning all sorts of carpets in Woodlands and the surrounding areas. You've probably seen our van around the area over the years or even heard of us. But years of experience isn't enough these days with all the different carpet fibres and the huge range of sofa and upholstery fabrics. Therefore, we have always been committed to high quality training. First, we are senior members of the National Carpet Cleaners Association. This is the governing body for a recognised trade association in the UK. Its role is to facilitate the training and instruction of professional carpet cleaners and upholstery cleaners across England, Scotland and Wales. Now, furthermore, to remain a member of the NCCA, carpet cleaners must abide by the rules and regulations set out by the association. These include mandatory insurance and going on training regularly. There is a complaints procedure and a disciplinary procedure, basically for the protection of all the clients. We clean wool as well. Now, we are the wool safe experts in the area in Woodlands, Doncaster. And you may think that's enough proof of the qualifications. However, we're also the only IRC certified firm in South Yorkshire. So what is that? Well, the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning and Restoration Certification, shortened to the IRCRC, provides testing and certification for a range of cleaning activities, specifically focused on carpet and upholstery cleaning. You really couldn't be in better hands. But that sounds expensive. So how much is the carpet cleaning in Woodlands Doncaster? Well, our prices are always on the website, so just click through and have a look. It starts at £40 per room, and there's discounts for extra rooms and sofas and whole house deals that are right on there for you to see. Now, we can be that price simply because we don't employ salespeople. And that's just the long and short of it. We don't have to supply cars and salespeople, wages and pensions. We do it all ourselves, and so you could never be in better hands. It's never been easier to find carpet cleaners in Woodlands, Doncaster. Give us a call.
Doncaster Carpet Cleaners is the way to go. A great family firm.